last station. Pass to begin. Moving up about 5 wide now comes Pedro Penduko. La Diva is by the rail. Next on line comes Zing Melody. Real excellent. By the rail comes Annual Survey, while House of Fortune is the early trailer as they leave the straight. We have Pedro Penduko by about 3 lengths. La Diva in second, and in third, Zing Melody by a gap of 3 lengths. A length and a half back in fourth comes Real Excellent, Annual Survey, Palace Station, and House of Fortune. And it's still Pedro Penduko by about 4 lengths. La Diva, then here comes Zing Melody. Now coming closer in third, and so as with the Real Excellent. And it's still Pedro Penduko by only a length and a half. Zing Melody now in second, and on the outside third comes Real Excellent, La Diva. It's now Zing Melody, Pedro Penduko, Real Excellent. Now moving up on the outside as they come down to the last 200. We have Zing Melody, Real Excellent is on the outside. This time 2 and 3 sparring out for the lead. Real Excellent, Zing Melody, Real Excellent. Now doing the better, and final Real Excellent, Zing Melody, La Diva, Pedro Penduko.
Ang ganda ng ayudahan ng dalawa, no, ha? Si JV Guse at saka si JD Cambo. Both riders talaga namang doing their very best dun sa pagsapit ng ating last 25 meters.